In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Gmail account from other devices. If you've ever signed in on a shared computer, a friend's phone, or an old tablet and forgot to log out, this walkthrough will help you quickly and safely disconnect those devices from your Google and Gmail account. We'll start in Google Chrome. Open the Chrome browser on your device, then look to the top right corner and tap your profile icon. This is the circular avatar that shows your photo or initial. From the menu that appears, select Manage Your Google Account. This opens your main Google account dashboard, which is where all your security and device settings live. Next, head to your security settings. On the left-hand menu, tap Security. If you're on a smaller screen, you might see tabs across the top instead of a side menu. Just choose Security there. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Your Devices. This is where Google shows every phone, tablet, and computer that's currently signed in with your account. Now, tap Manage All Devices. You'll see a list of devices that are signed in to your Google and Gmail account, along with details like the device type and the last time it was active. Take a moment to review this list. If you spot a device you don't recognize or one you no longer use, it's a good idea to remove it. Select the device you want to remove. On the device details page, tap Sign Out. You may be prompted to confirm. Go ahead and confirm to finish. This action immediately signs your Google account out on that device, which includes Gmail. It won't delete anything from your current device. It only ends access on the one you selected. Once you've confirmed, you'll see that the device has been signed out successfully. At this point, your Gmail account is removed from that device, and it will no longer be able to read your emails, sync your data, or access your Google services unless you sign in again. For extra security, consider taking two additional precautions. First, change your Google account password, especially if you removed a device you don't recognize. This invalidates any lingering sessions. Second, enable two-step verification. With two-step verification turned on, even if someone gets your password, they won't be able to sign in without your verification code. And that's it. You've successfully removed your Gmail account from other devices and tightened your account's security. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.